Okay, so guys, I wanted to hop on really quick and show you how I recorded. No, I'm lying. I didn't record anything. Show you guys how I used Canva to create my logo for my boutique. So it was very simple. Basically, what I did first was I went into Google and I searched for logos using Canva. And it gave me this results list. And so after I got the results list, then I went in and I kind of tweaked it to see what I wanted. I already had an idea of what I wanted it to look like. And so I reached out to some people online to try to get them to do it. But I didn't want to waste. I'm a little impatient. And so I have an issue with wanting to figure things out myself. And so since I had done a logo before using Canva, I just decided that I would try it again. And so I'll kind of walk you guys through what I did. And hopefully you will be able to use these tips when it's time for you to make your logo or whatever it is. Because Canva allows you to do so many different things. And let me just say that I am using the paid version, which they just upgraded. So it was like $12, I think, but now it's $9, and they added a bunch of new features. So this is using the paid version, but when I made my logo, I was using the free version, and I had to pay $1 to use the image that I have on there to remove the watermark. So watch this video. I hope it helps you guys. Good luck. We are on this boutique trying together. And I will be also showing you or talking to you about the process that I took to get what's called to register a fictitious name for my business. So I'll show you guys. Well, this is for if you live in Mississippi. So, all right, I'll be back. All right, so right here, this is the home screen. This is canva.com. All you have to do is type it in. When you go inside of Canva, you'll get to this home page, and then you can just type on logo, okay? So when you get to logo, you have all of these different options, um, and every option has like a different section. So within all of these, you can click on one that you like. Let's do something simple. Let's click on. Okay, so when you click on that, it opens the screen bigger. But what I want to do is when you go to templates, they have all of these here. So let's just use this one. Okay. So, you know what? Let's not use that one. That one is too plain. I kind of like that one. And keep in mind that it'll say free right here. But, like, this right here. No, it's not one. Okay, just to start you off. So if you change this color to black, okay, you can do that. And then you can change, these are separate. So this color can be orange. And then we'll make this color, yellow. This color yellow as well. Okay. And then that yellow. And we'll actually change, these are multiple elements that have been grouped together. So if we go up here and ungroup them, then we can kind of like move things around. So let's just say we'll make this boutique. And then we'll change this to sassy circles. I don't know, because it's a circle here. I guess sassy circles boutique. Okay, so then you have your fonts, and some of these are fonts that I uploaded, but you just change your fonts, and basically you can play with this and create whatever you want it to look like. You can take this circle and make it bigger. Oh, actually, okay, I see now. This is a white circle that they have put inside. And see these little lines right here? This is another thing that I want to show you. I know that I am sometimes a little concerned about whether things are lined up. So these circles, right? I mean, these lines, these dotted lines, and these straight lines, they really do help out a lot. But that's just one example. You can go here in the background. This says free, but if you've never used Canva before, you have to be careful because everything is not free. Like these right here will probably be $1. Everything is free, has free written on it. So you can change the background if you want to. You can take this out and go up here and delete that. And in elements, you can change and put like a picture here. Kind of like center that right there and then position it, take it back and bring everything else to the front. And then over here in your uploads, let's go to elements and go photos. The paid version has a lot of free photos. And let's see here. Oh, we don't use pastels. Let's do shapes. And this search bar is really helpful. You go up here. Let's do clothing. And you can add that right there. Bring that down, maybe make it bigger. 21. And then for this, okay, so we made that color. But if you look, if you go to elements, they can't see you. If you go to elements and then okay, this is no.
Thank you for this good book, Mama. Awesome book.
Cool. So here, nope, don't want to use that one. I want to make like a let's try it. Yeah, I don't like that. We'll throw that away. But you can either change this color or you can kind of use this, make it a little bit transparent and cover the yeah, I don't want to do that. That was an accident. Okay. I don't know why I can't use that square. And this is not the one that I want to use, even though it looks like it. If I make this all the same color and then Make it very transparent. And then send it backwards one time. And then send it backwards another time. See how this kind of brightens up a little bit. And that's all in your transparency. So let me show you your home page of Canva since we're in here. So this is the home page where all of your designs are. And I've been using Canva for a very long time, even though I have not really published much. I'm going to start doing it. But yeah, I hope that you found this video helpful. Remember canva.com. You can do so much stuff in here. If you're not a designer, that's fine because they have all of these opportunities to teach you different things. And it's cute. I love those colors. But yes. Oh, I know what I want to show you. Glad I saw that. So like, what was the last thing I worked on? Let's go. My designs. Nope. It's not there. Here it is. It took a long time for it to upload to the homepage, but right here, so professional print, you can get this item that you just created printed to any one of these, which is really cool because I want to use the postcards and the business cards for my business when I, get ready to ship things off, or you can download it. And this transparent background option is only available if you have the paid version. So that's another thing to keep in mind. You have these 4 options right here that you can use when it comes to downloading. So when you download it and you want to put it on social media or what have you. But this is where it just automatically will upload it for you. I haven't used this, but I think that's what it is. So yes, that is my Canva tutorial, and I hope you guys got something from it. I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, so I'm finished with the tutorial. I really hope that you find it useful. Let me know if you have any other questions. See you in my next video. Bye.